In this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide/disable indicators labels, values, arguments on TradingView. By the end, you'll be able to clean up your TradingView charts by hiding indicator labels on the price scale, values and arguments in the status line, and quickly toggle indicators off when needed. First, let's hide details for a single indicator using its own settings. On your chart, double-click the indicator you want to adjust, or click the gear icon next to its name in the top left. In the settings window that opens, go to the Style tab. Here, uncheck Labels on the price scale to remove the indicator's label from the right-hand price axis. Then uncheck Values in the status line to stop its current reading from showing in the top left. As soon as you uncheck these options, you'll see the labels and values disappear for this indicator only. Your indicator remains on the chart. You're just turning off the extra text so the view is cleaner. Next, let's control the global status line so you can hide indicator arguments and values across the entire chart. Right-click anywhere on the chart background to open the context menu, then choose Settings. In the left panel, select Status Line. Find the Indicators section. Uncheck Arguments to hide the input settings that appear next to each indicator name, and uncheck Values to hide the live value readouts. Watch the top left of the chart as you do this. The arguments and values will be removed for all indicators at once. This is a global setting, so it applies to every indicator on the chart, which helps keep the status line focused and minimal. Or you can return here any time to re-enable them if you need to troubleshoot or review inputs later. Now let's tidy the price scale labels. Move your cursor to the vertical price axis on the right side of the chart and right-click it. From the menu that appears, uncheck the specific label options you don't need to reduce clutter on the price scale. You'll see the selected labels disappear immediately, giving you a clearer view of price. This adjustment affects what appears on the price axis only, so your candles and indicators remain visible while the axis becomes cleaner and easier to read. At this point, if you ever want a fast temporary way to hide an entire indicator, use the quick toggle. In the top left corner where your indicator names appear, click the eye icon next to the indicator you want to hide. This immediately removes the indicator from view, along with its labels, values, and any drawings associated with it. This is a non-destructive change. You're not deleting anything, just hiding it temporarily, so you can keep the chart focused on price or other studies without distractions. To recap what you should now see, individual indicators can have their labels on the price scale and values in the status line hidden from the Style tab of their settings. The global status line settings let you uncheck arguments and values for all indicators in the top left. The price scale menu lets you uncheck specific label options on the right axis. And the eye icon gives you a one-click way to temporarily hide any indicator entirely. Each of these controls is immediate, and you can reverse any change by returning to the same checkbox and enabling it again. Your TradingView chart is now configured so indicator labels, values, and arguments are hidden exactly where you want them, with a quick toggle available when you need a clean view. Everything should be working as shown on screen. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.